constable targeted in deadly Clarendon gun attack at bar. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, cows on the loose cause a third motor vehicle crash in 5 days in Westmoreland. And later, thumbs up for day one of Dembe Agricultural Show in Clarendon. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.